Hey, welcome back again, viewers and subscribers. This moment, I'm going to be speaking to you on the ramgoat dashalong plant, also called Turnera ulmifolia, which grows erect with dark toothed leaves. You see those toothed leaves there, and small yellow orange flowers. See these flowers here right now in the morning, fully bloomed, and is often found as a weed growing on roadsides. And this plant can grow almost in a lot of places. You just stick a cutting into the ground, right? And pretty much can grow just like that. I've had this one. Just planted it not too long, a couple months back, and look at the size of this one. All right. So it's often found as a weed growing on roadsides. The yellow flowers bloom around 6 a.m. It's after 6 right now in St. Vincent and the Grenadines here, and they wilt around 11:30 a.m. In full bloom right now. So the lifespan for a flower is around 6 hours, right? And these plants can survive on minimum water. And just to note, it's commonly misidentified with the closely related Turnera diffusa or Turnera aphrodisiaca in horticultural commerce, causing it to often be misrepresented as Damiana. I think I had done a video 3 years back, and a gentleman was like, um, "No, that's not Damiana," because I was saying it's Jamaican Damiana. But yeah, so he was in fact correct, right? It's a natural remedy for anxiety, nervous exhaustion, and depression. Okay, Ramgoat Dashalong is also excellent to treat coughs and colds, as well as bronchitis. Uh, right. So the Latin name Turnera ulmifolia, it's ramgoat dashalong. Its common name is yellow alder, ramgoat dashalong, West Indian holly, sage rose, and it belongs to the Passifloriaceae family. And habitat, it's a small woody shrub native to Mexico, Central America, and the Caribbean basin that can also be found in many tropical parts of the world. Grows in partial sun or shade, and the plant will branch more and stay fuller when in full sun. All right. It's found in open woods and disturbed areas such as roadsides and abandoned fields. And these are some of Terraneria ulmifolia's favorite places to go. So the parts used in the uses are the leaves make tea to help ease the symptoms of constipation and diarrhea. We used to treat colds, flu, menstrual cramping, heart palpitations, hair loss, alopecia, thrush, and other conditions. So quite a lot of medicinal benefits coming out here. So a little bit about its history and tradition. It's treated as a native to Florida. Aside from its medicinal use, it's often grown as an ornamental ground cover or border plant due to its showy yellow flowers which blossom all year long. Traditionally a favorite food of goats, which contributed to the common name ramgoat dashalong. Right? Some of its actions are anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and we have a study 2009 which published in the BMC Complementary Medicine and Therapy showed that extracts on T. ulmifolia could be used as a new weapon against the problem of bacterial resistance to antibiotics demonstrated in MRSA strains. And it's utilized for gastrointestinal problems, colds and flu, circulatory problems, menstrual spasms, and dermatological issues. The leaves are used for treating hair loss and thrush. And in Jamaica, ramgoat dashalong is used to make tea, and is also a favorite beverage and cold remedy. Tea can also be made from the bark. Yeah. Quite beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. So I'm going to dash along Jamaica and Mexico, um, where it was introduced, where goats were brought, and the goats fed on these, and the farmers noticed the livestock, it blew up pretty fast. So they were like, man, it has to be something in this plant, right? And acts as an aphrodisiac. So it's pretty much the reason why those flocks blew up. Here we have another plant coming up, which I planted here also. See the flowers already blooming. So that's Ramgo Dashalong. Thanks again for watching.